in the box?
Hi, and welcome to Poptography. My name is Patrick, and today we got a box for What's in the Box from my good friend Andrea over at the Padawan Chronicles. She was really nice enough. Her husband Josh works really close to the character warehouse near Disney, and I wanted to get a hold of the old version 1 holocrons because when I was at Galaxy's Edge, I thought I'd get back sooner before they changed them, and I didn't. And in an earlier video, and you'll probably have it all stitched together as one longer form video, but I had gotten version 2 from when my sister and my mother had recently gone to Disney, so very excited to open this. It was funny because when I saw what was written on the box, you know, Pop Moment, Ultimate Princess Ariel, and I was like, it's a Funko. I'm like, I didn't order that. But then I realized, oh wait, I know exactly who would have ordered that, Andrea. So very excited. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box. Very excited. Oh, there's the Jedi and the Sith. Awesome. So let's open this up. So cool.
This is Master Obi-Wan Kenobi. I regret to report that both our Jedi Order and the Republic have fallen, with the dark shadow of the Empire rising to take their place. This message is a warning and a reminder for any surviving Jedi. Trust in the Force. Do not return to the temple. That time has passed, and our future is uncertain. We will each be challenged, our trust, our faith, our friendships. But we must persevere, and in time, a new hope will emerge. May the Force be with you, always.
That's so cool, so cool. So thank you so much, Andrea and Josh. This is really cool. I'm glad I got the original one, and now I have the newer one. So cool, so cool. And now the Sith. This is so cool.
victims of their own breed. But from the ashes of destruction, I was the last survivor. I chose to pass my knowledge
cool. So cool. Both of them are so unique, and that is just awesome. So now having all of the holocrons, I'm gonna have to continue doing another video, like I said, putting all these pieces together, because then what I want to do is do both of the Jedi holocrons together and both of the Sith holocrons together and see what we get as characters. I think we already know, just from having paired the other ones together. So let's see what happens when we kind of mishmash and go across them. So anyway, so more to come with this, but thank you so much. Very excited to have the first gen of both the Sith and the Jedi holocron, and thank you, Andrea and Josh. You guys are awesome. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of Poptography. Until then, may the Force be with you.